Hello students, welcome in Mathematics Sala. We are discussing practical geometry. Now today's topic is construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two included angles are. Here is three sides, 1, 2, 3 sides and included angle. In between these two sides here is an angle, and in between these two sides here is another angle. Then example 4, construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, CD equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle B equal to 105 degree given, and angle C equal to 80 degree. As we are drawing, very starting point is to construct a rough figure. Here is the rough figure. But using this rough figure, when we want to construct the quadrilateral, first of all we have to take the side BC, that is of length 5 centimeter, and then at point B we have to construct angle CBX equal to 105 degree, and at point C we have to construct angle BCY equal to 80 degree. Then as it is given, point A is 4 centimeter away from point B, then an arc of a radius 4 centimeter is taken from BX. Then another arc of length BD equal to 6.5 centimeter taken from CY, and the point A and D are joined to construct quadrilateral, that is the required quadrilateral ABCD. We'll see the actual construction after this part, and we are going to discuss question number 1, first part as well as second part from exercise 4.4 in this video. This video is very informative. You have to like, share my channel and also subscribe. Now question number 1, construct the following quadrilateral DEAR. DE equal to 4 centimeter, EA equal to 5 centimeter, AR equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle E equal to 60 degree, angle A equal to 90 degree. Rough figure you have to show, and another quadrilateral true TRUE. TR equal to 3.5 centimeter, RU equal to 3 centimeter, UE equal to 4 centimeter, angle R is equal to 75 degree, and angle U equal to 120 degree. Let us see how to construct these quadrilaterals practically. In example 4, here is the rough figure. As per the rough figure, BC, length of BC equal to 5 centimeter. Here is the line segment BC equal to 5 centimeter. At point B, we have to construct angle of 105 degree. Now, to construct 105 degree, use compass. Put your compass at point B. Draw an arc of any radius. Cut one mark for 60 degree, another mark for 120 degree, and then mark for, here is 90 degree. Now, in previous video we have seen that we have to draw broken line for 90 degree and then bisect 90 and 120. Since this angle is more than 90 but less than 120, 105. Now draw a ray. Let us call this point X. At point C, we have to construct an angle of 80 degree. We are unable to construct 80 degree using compass, then we have to use protractor. Now put your this mark with the point C, and this is the line you have to keep with the initial line. Now count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. For 80 degree, put here a dot. After putting a dot for 80 degree, just use your scale and put your scale properly at the point and C. Then draw a ray. Call this Y. Now here is A point is 4 centimeter away from B. Just measure 4 centimeter using your compass. Put your compass at point B and draw an arc that intersects BX at point A. Mark that point A. Now measure 5 centimeter. No, 5 not, 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter put at C. Since D point is 6.5 centimeter away from C, draw an arc intersects the ray at point, this is the point D. This is the point D. Now join the points
A to D. You can call this as Z and this is the A. Now the quadrilateral A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. Okay. Now just completing it, we can start exercise number 4. Exercise number 4. 4. Exercise 4.4, and just we want to construct another example. Not here, it is question number 1 and first part. For that, the measurement is, here we have to construct the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is DE. Here DE equal to 4 centimeter, EA equal to 5 centimeter, EA, and R, here is the point R, and the measurement of the angles, and here angles in between two sides are given, that is 4.5 centimeter. Here it is 4.5 centimeter. Here this angle is 90 degree, and another angle that you have to construct 60 degree. This is the question, just very similar to that example, but we want to show, I want to show it how to construct. Just take 4 centimeter, not 5 centimeter as AE. Just take AE, or you can say right here EA. At point A, you have to construct 90 degree. Then to construct 90 degree, here take any radius, put your compass at point A, just draw an arc, and from the arc take one cut, it is for 60 degree, and another cut, that is for another cut for 120 degree, and just bisect 120 degree mark and 60 degree mark. The point of intersection is 90, and at point E you have to construct 60 degree. That is very simple. You have to put your compass at point E and then take one cut for 60 degree. Now here you have to take the 90 degree. So don't take the broken line, just take a ray, put here arrow mark, and let us take this X, and for 60 degree put your scale properly and draw another ray, name it Y, so that AEY is 60 degree. Now here one length is 4 centimeter, another is 4.4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. Take 4 centimeter you have to put at point E for 4 centimeter. Now just I am putting at E and taken an arc. This is the point. Here is the point. This D. Now take another arc for 4.5 centimeter. For that you have to put at A. Just I am putting at A and an arc is taken in ray AX. The point of intersection is R. Now join this point R to point D. Point R to point D, just join it. Now here is the required quadrilateral DEAR. I think it is very clear. Then can we start that second one? Now after this you are aware how to construct. For this you have to construct true, TRUE. Then in this case for true, let us take some change. I have taken the same quadrilateral here. Okay, I have taken same quadrilateral, same rough figure to construct. Now here it is at point R, it is 75 degree. You know how to construct 75 degree, and at point U it is U, and at point U it is 120 degree, and three sides are known. RU equal to 3 centimeter. Then T is here, TR is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Sorry, 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Here it is 3 centimeter. TR equal to 3.5 centimeter and UE equal to 4 centimeter. Now just construct here. Let us take this side. RU equal to 3 centimeter. RU equal to 3 centimeter, level 8. At point R, construct angle of 75 degree. For that you have to use your compass. Put your compass at R and draw one arc for 60 degree. Another arc is for 120 degree. Draw an arc and another arc on putting 120 degree to find point for 90 degree. Now you have to draw broken line to get 90-degree point, and now you have to put your compass at 120-degree mark and just draw an arc and another putting at 90-degree to bisect that, and at point you have to put your compass at U, draw an arc, take two cuts, one cut for 60 degree and another cut for 120 degree. Then you have got, this is the point for 75 degree. From this side you have to measure 75 degree. That means your angle UR X, angle URX equal to 75 degree. This is the side where you will get 105 degree. You have not to draw 105. And this is the important question, because by mistake students are drawing, instead of 75 degree 105 degree. Then another, this is the point for 120. Now join the point for 120 degree with U. Take this ray as Y. Now from RX you have to take 3.5 centimeter from RX. Now from UY you have to take 4 centimeter and here is the point of intersection. Just label the point of intersection, that this is the point E and this is the point here is T. Now join the point E to T. After joining point ET, you have got the required quadrilateral TRUE. I think with this construction, your construction part of 75% becomes clear. We have left only one chapter. We'll meet in next video. Till now, bye.